Hi friends! Welcome to our fun learning time. Today we are going to learn about shapes. Are you ready?
Look, here is a circle. A circle is round, just like a pizza or a ball.
Now let's look at a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides, just like a school road sign or slice of watermelon. What's next? Oh, it's a square. A square has 4 equal sides, just like a window or a gift box. Can you count the sides with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's look at the rectangle. A rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides, just like a door or a book. Yay! Now all our shapes are dancing. Can you dance like a shape? Circle! Triangle. Square. Rectangle.
Great job, friends! Don't forget to come back for more fun and learning. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun videos.